What's up, guys? I have not been particularly motivated to do videos lately, and I apologize. We were really swamped getting all the window perf done for all the schools, and then ever since then we've been kind of like, and let's catch up on a bunch of stuff that we've been missing out on for a while, look at finances and do all the things. In this video, I kind of wanted to go over how to get a paper backing off of acrylic board. I just want to ease my way back into making some videos. So I'm gonna keep this short and simple. But if you guys have ever ordered white acrylic, clear acrylic, you know, it comes with this brown paper backing right here, and you have to peel it off of both sides. And this stuff starts to peel great, but it always turns into a mess. Okay, this one's gonna prove me wrong. You start getting a tear right here, and you get tears everywhere, and it comes off, it does this. It starts coming off in a bazillion pieces. And if you have ever had a particularly hard one, especially the kind that's on acrylic glass, it will come off in 3,000 pieces, and it's so annoying. But I haven't come up with this. I think someone, I thought I came up with it just on my own, but others definitely do this. But using a pipe or a cardboard core or something to roll it up works fantastic. Here's what that looks like. There you go. That's it. I'm just easing my way back into doing some videos, you guys. More to come. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Take care.